What's up, all my stock market investors? It's ShPena, and I'm back again with another Cash App investing video. Today I'm talking about some news that can make the stock market rise. So make sure you're paying attention before we get there. Y'all know I gotta pay my respects always to you watching. I appreciate you for watching. If you aren't subscribed, please do, because it's gonna put a beautiful smile on my face and gonna give me some nice confidence. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. And drop some comments below. Say what's up. Tell me how you feel about the content. Tell me what you think about the stocks that I'm going to be talking about today, so we can talk about it, share some information. Now, the big thing, the big talk. Yes, the debate's going on, which doesn't really, it hasn't swayed the market in the past, and I don't think it's going to sway the market now, especially when there's really not much of a debate going on right now. It's just Trump just interrupting everything that's being said. He's interrupting moderators, interrupting Biden. But whatever, we ain't gonna get too political on this video. The news that's gonna make the stock market rise is the stimulus package. Once it gets passed, I feel like they're saying they're very close, but they can't come to some sort of agreement. The Democrats proposed a 2.2 trillion type of bill, and the Republicans came back with like a 1.6 trillion type of bill. Within this bill, though, is another $1,200 check to Americans. More money that people will probably, maybe, possibly use to invest in the stock market. Small business, this package is gonna boost investor confidence, and that's always good for the market. I think that if they pass a bill in the next few weeks, although I did say that I thought that there was a dip coming. If they pass a bill in the next few weeks, it's definitely going to rise up, and then maybe the dip can come a little bit more down. The pullback can come a little bit more down the road. But we all know that a lot of people lost money with the most recent dip, so they need money. If they get a stimulus package, $1,200, they're going to spend it. They're going to invest it. They're going to do it the right way right now. And there's plenty of stocks that I would invest into, and I'm going to share the stocks that I would invest into with that stimulus package. I have a few on my mind, but before I get there, y'all know I got to mention the stocks group chat. If you are interested in joining the stocks group chat, make sure you shoot me a DM above. We are in there sharing resources, talking stocks on a daily, and the overall goal is to just build generational wealth. So the stocks that I'm looking at, if I was to get like a $1,200 check, or even if I had $1,000, $500 laying around, Pfizer. I mean, although Trump mentioned Pfizer in the recent debate, the Pfizer did come out and say that they're not going to take no pressure from nobody. Their process is going to move as fast as science can move. And the interesting about Pfizer is they haven't taken money from the government yet. So they have the upper hand, even though we all know the government's not gonna allow overcharge for a vaccine. But if they haven't taken money, they're independent. When you're independent, you have power. So Pfizer's a good company to put on your watch list. I like AT&T under 30. If you can get it at 27 at the right time, that's a good buy. Canopy Growth, it's at $14 right now. I love it at 13. But at $14, you really can't knock it, because it has the potential to reach $18 to $20. That is the target, that my prediction target on Canopy. So that's like $4 or $5 increase. You could flip some money. If you got 500, couple hundred thousand, nice little jump right there. What else? We got a few others. I like Rocket under 2019 preferably. It definitely jumped the other day, so I'm going to kind of wait for another pullback on Rocket. Mortgages. I know I had another one I wanted to share with y'all. This one I did want to talk about. We're going to end off with this one. I've been hearing a lot of Disney talk. And I don't want none of my followers to get tricked into a bubble. I think the investors are going to try to trick people into a Disney bubble. Yes, Disney has the streaming, they have the Disney Plus, they have the ESPN, yes. But let's not forget, my people, let's not forget that Disney still owns these amusement parks. They still have loans on rides. They still have to pay for that. And I don't think streaming can cover all that. Not yet, at least. So don't fall for this Disney trap. And now if it goes up and then pulls back, that's a different story. Because I know down the road, maybe long term, maybe Disney is going to be a great stock to have in your portfolio. But don't fall in the trap within these next few weeks. Because I've been seeing a lot of people on YouTube promoting Disney. And I don't want none of my people to fall for the trap. So make sure you're doing your research. Like I always tell y'all, do your research. Do your due diligence. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and just be ready, because if this stimulus package passes, whatever you got your money in, it's gonna go up, and then make sure you take your profits. Always. Y'all have a great rest of y'all weekend.